You're watching Tap Tech, the channel where we put the latest tech through real-world tests. So you know exactly what you're getting before you spend a dime. Today we're taking the DJI Air 3S up in the sky, DJI's newest mid-range powerhouse. That packs in pro-level features in a size and price that a lot more pilots can reach at first glance. The Air 3S doesn't just look like a small upgrade, it feels like DJI took everything great about the Air 3 and sharpened it. The build is sleek and aerodynamic, with a slightly more robust frame that handles wind better without adding much weight. Folding it up feels reassuringly solid, and at under a kilogram, it's still incredibly portable. You can toss it in a backpack and forget it's there until you need it. The star here is the upgraded dual camera system. You get a wide angle and a medium telephoto, both with larger sensors than before. The wide camera delivers crisp, ultra-detailed 48-megapixel stills and rich 4K video with improved low-light performance. The medium telephoto lens is where things get creative. It lets you get cinematic compression and subject separation without having to physically move closer together. These cameras give you flexibility that feels like having two drones in one. DJI's image processing has taken another step forward. The Air 3S captures more dynamic range, handles high-contrast scenes beautifully, and colors look natural, without overcooking them. In low light, noise is minimal, and the footage is shockingly clean for a drone this size. HDR video looks stunning, especially when you're flying at sunrise or sunset. Flight performance is classic DJI stable, responsive, and confidence-inspiring. The new O4 transmission system keeps your video feed rock solid at distances up to 20 kilometers, with practically no lag. Obstacle avoidance is more advanced now, with omnidirectional sensors that not only detect objects, but help the drone intelligently plan paths around them. That means you can focus more on composition and less on micromanaging every movement to avoid trees or poles. Battery life is another highlight. The Air 3S pushes flight time up to 46 minutes per battery, which in real-world use is huge. That's enough for multiple takes or scouting an area without swapping packs constantly. The batteries also support faster charging, so you can get back in the air quickly during a busy shoot. DJI's intelligent flight modes are here in full force. Master shots, focus track, and waypoints have all been refined for smoother, more predictable results. The new waypoint system even lets you save and repeat complex flight paths. It's perfect for time-lapse projects or returning to the same location to capture seasonal changes. In terms of creative potential, this drone is a beast. Whether you're a travel vlogger capturing epic landscapes, a filmmaker adding cinematic aerials, or just a hobbyist who loves seeing the world from above, the Air 3S hits a sweet spot between size, performance, and price. The DJI Fly App ties it all together with an intuitive interface and advanced editing tools right on your phone. It's quick to import, trim, and share footage without touching a laptop, which makes it perfect for creators on the go. It's not flawless. If you need the absolute best image quality, the Mavic 3 Pro still wins. And if you're on a tight budget, the Mini Series remains a fantastic value. But the Air 3S is arguably the best balanced DJI has ever made. It's small enough to take anywhere, powerful enough for professional work, and easy enough for newer pilots to fly confidently. The Air 3S feels like the kind of drone you'll want to keep in your kit for years, not something you'll outgrow in a few months. It's the sweet spot in DJI's lineup, and for a lot of people, it's all the drone you'll ever need. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we fly, shoot, and test the latest gadgets so you know exactly what's worth your money before you buy.